In this video, I will show you what to do with your NFT once you have created your collection. So you created your collection of 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 NFTs. Now what? There is a couple of websites that are really great to promote your NFT for free. If you have a limited budget or if you don't have any budget at all, these sites are great to promote your NFT for free. They will list your NFT and make it available for the public so that everybody can discover it. In this video, I will be going over one specific of this website, and this is one of the first websites that I go to when I need to list a new NFT project. I am talking about EarlyCoins. EarlyCoins is a website that allows you to list your NFT project or your coin project for free. I will show you now how to do it. If we want to create a new listing, all you have to do is click on list now. I suggest that you create a new account. Why? Because there is a great functionality which is the dashboard. The dashboard allows you to see all of the different projects that you have listed and allows you to manage them from this dashboard, which is great so that you can not lose track of all of the projects that you have submitted. So let's try submitting a random project and see what are the different fields that are required. We need a project name, a launch date, the project symbol. It can be anything on whichever chain your project is, Solana, Ethereum, BTC, or whatever else you want. The token price and the token actual market cap. So this is in terms of NFTs. You can calculate the number of NFTs and you can type it in here. And also the project description. Let's fill out this information and see the next page. In the next step, we have to fill out the smart contract details for our NFT. In case we have already created the token on the Ethereum or on the Binance chain, we can add the contract address right here or any other relevant address that might be important. In the next steps, now all of this is optional, so you don't have to have any of this information. In addition to this, in the last step, we have to add the social information for our project, such as the website, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, and so on. Now, with all of this information inserted, we can then submit our project. And once we have submitted our project, we will have to wait for approval. After 24 hours or so, you will receive an email verification from the team of EarlyCoins. If your project meets all of the requirements set forward by them, you will get your project published on their website and the link to your project in the website. This is the project that I'm working on. It is a project that I'm working on with my team, and I highly recommend it to anybody that is into NFTs. We're working with some amazing companies. We're also providing some amazing utility to our NFT. I have also left the link for EarlyCoins down below, and I will be making more videos just like this one if you find it interesting. If you have any comments or observations on this video, please leave them down in the comments below or join my Discord server where we can have a conversation regarding NFTs or any other kind of upcoming drops. Thank you so much for watching the NFT Champion. I am really grateful for you and for making this channel happen and a reality. So stick around for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.